channel, guys. The Book of World Records got back to me today on email. Looks like I will have the record title for the longest RC car ever built functioning. I'm so excited to be able to share this with you guys. It has been a lot of money trying to build this thing, but it's fun, it's awesome. It's nothing like any other one. The thing would drift, the thing would drive 65 miles an hour. It's made of wood. So right there is achievement, to make something out of wood that goes 65 miles an hour and it doesn't break. I'm so excited that they accepted it. They're looking at all my evidence. I gave them video evidence, I gave them dimensions, I gave them everything they needed on the requirements. Now it's in the process of them looking at everything. I'm talking to a specialist, the head of commission, and once he gets back to me and they approve everything, I will be the record holder for the longest RC car ever built, guys. And once I do that, it's gonna take off and it's gonna go even farther and farther. After this one, I'm gonna build another one that beats this one. Then after that one, I'm gonna build another one that beats that one. So if anybody's out there trying to break my record, it's gonna be very hard for you to break it, because I'm gonna go bigger and better every single time. It's gonna be awesome, and I'm gonna keep that record no matter how hard I gotta work for it. We just picked this up, guys. I'm so excited. I have another one, but it broke. So now we got this one again. We're gonna see how she drives. I'm gonna build this one into something that's crazy, because now I have a whole bunch of extra parts. I might even make it a 6x6. Like, take a look at that beast. That thing is a beast. Kind of situated on my wing. It's a pretty cool little truck. The shocks are really good on it. Shocks are really good on the back. Let's see if this thing will run. Look at that light function on the front of it. That thing's awesome. Oh, she's almost dead. Kind of hard playing with this thing with one hand. I don't have my tripod out here with me. Came in for the Mustang. Decided they need to be a lot bigger. I kind of want it more over here, like probably to the edge of this, all the way there, and then I'll have them like where they crease it right here, where it goes all the way down to the Mustang, so it's a full door. If I don't do the background, I'll just do 850 cars and RC cars with a picture of a really cool RC car in the middle, and the YouTube sticker really big down here. and then I want it to have like and subscribe. It's gonna be really neat. And definitely like and subscribe if you want to see more cool content, because 2022 is going to be epic. What would you guys like to see me do next? Would you like to see me build a monster truck, a big drift car, something insane, outrageous that nobody else has? Definitely let me know. Or would you like me to do something to my truck next, my Mustang next? There's a bunch of different projects I got. Let me know what y'all want me to do, and I'll make it happen for you guys. You guys give me so much motivation to do all this and make it happen. It's awesome, and I greatly appreciate all the support. I will, however, be getting RC boats, different stuff like that. I'm gonna get this monster truck that's from Walmart, but it has those big old foam tires. I've seen people take those out on water. They float. So I'm going to take one out on water and make it float. I'm also getting RC planes and drones, more RC cars, a whole bunch of other stuff. This guy's giving me a great deal. That way I can use it on my channel, show people, do crazy content, crazy builds. Some of the stuff needs to be built, some of the stuff runs. It's a really good deal from a really good person that's local out here. I bought stuff off of him before and hadn't had any problems with it. So this guy's gonna make a lot more of my money, and he can see a lot of content. And if he wants to come up to Cartona when I'm out there running them, he's welcome to come up there too. But with the RC plane, that RC plane looks huge and fun, and I can't wait, because that'd be my first RC plane on the channel. Yes, the channel is going to be RCs, cars, and planes, drones, etc. Anything that's remote control and anything to do with a car or a truck, that's going to be on my channel. Thank you guys. Maybe sometime we can arrange an event where all of us get together. We do like a big car show or cars and coffee. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.